In this video, I'm going to show you how a student might receive feedback from a teacher in Canvas. Now, not every assignment will be graded on Canvas. Some of it will still be on paper and different things of that nature. But if there is an assignment that a student has submitted on Canvas and has been graded on Canvas, when they log in and come to their dashboard, over here on the right, as they roll down to the bottom, they will have kind of a little news feed about these are things that were just graded that you could click on and take a look at. So this gives you things from all of your classes. Like for example, one of these is from Freshman Seminar and the other is from Algebra 1. So all your classes are kind of consolidated there at the bottom, and they can click on that to see feedback and comments from teachers. But again, some of that may be on paper. Some of the grading that students receive, some of the feedback may be traditional pen and paper as well. Now, they can also click on a course. So if I want to look at my Freshman Seminar course, then over here on the bottom right, I see that recent feedback dialog, but it's focused only on this course. So there's this one assignment from this class that has been graded. If the student clicks on that, they will be able to see they can click here to see what it is that they submitted. So they can see, okay, what was it that I turned in? They can open it up there. They can also, if there's a link here on the right, well, they can see their grade. They can see the rubric. If there's that link there, they might have a rubric, and they can see kind of how their grade was broken down, which is handy. They may also have a comment that the teacher left here. So there's all sorts of ways a teacher could give you feedback. They could use a rubric, they could give you a text comment, they can leave you a voice comment where you can listen to the teacher talk, and they may also even leave comments on the document that you turned in. So I'll show you an example of that also. But that is an assignment from my Freshman Seminar class. I could also go take a look at Algebra 1. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, flip over to the Algebra 1 class, and I may have some feedback here. I'm going to show you an alternate way to get the feedback. The new ones are posted here, but you could also go here to your grades link over there on the left, grades, and you can see all your grades in the class. Now, I will warn you that when you get this total down here at the bottom, that is just for assignments that were graded in Canvas. The actual official grade is what is posted in Infinite Campus. Sorry, there's so many websites, but Infinite Campus is the real grade book, the official grade. So this may just represent some of their assignments and not the entire thing. So if you want to see the actual official grade, make sure you log into Infinite Campus to that grade book. Now, but they can see things that were graded, things that don't have grades yet. Here, my homework number 2 has been graded. If I click on that, this one has a grade. There was no rubric because there's no rubric link. There is a comment from a teacher. I can also say view feedback, that link right there. And the teacher could leave me actual feedback in the document. So the teacher may have highlighted some things and written some comments in there. So there's all sorts of ways that the teacher can give you feedback. So they could type in there, they can highlight things, they can leave comments. So there are so many ways the teacher might leave you feedback there in Canvas. But again, some of the assignments in a class may be graded paper and pencil and not be on Canvas. But this is just how to access those pieces of feedback that were left for students in Canvas.